For a couple of these pointers, I'm going to be using some real life Shopify stores that people in my Facebook group have kindly provided and allowing me to use as case studies for this course. So the next one is be easily contactable. Do not make it hard for people to contact you because they just won't trust you. So what you want is, well, this guy doesn't have it, but what you want is a contact us page that you can find very easily. You also want a live chat. However, I don't recommend the talk to live chat. I recommend Facebook chat by beacoting, because you're able to use a recognizable symbol, which is a Facebook Messenger symbol, on your website, which is going to increase the trust and authority that you can give to people browsing. So that is the next one. You just need to add the beacoting contact app to your Shopify store and just add it to the bottom right here of your store. And obviously also add a contact us page and make it very easy to find.